Are you unable to use phone number or don't want to use it for your Google account to step verification? Don't worry, Google Authenticator is the solution. You're in the right place. Let's secure your account. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips. Using Google Authenticator instead of SMS verification is more secure because hackers can't intercept app-generated codes. Plus, if you don't have access to SMS, a phone, or want an alternative method, this is a great solution. You can use two options. The first is to use two devices, mobile phone and desktop, and the second is to use a single device mobile phone. Option 1. Using two devices. Step 1. Install Google Authenticator on your phone. Step 2. Sign into your Google account in which you are going to protect by two-step verification on another device. Now, we signed into the account. Tap the profile icon on the top right corner. Then tab on Manage your Google account. Step 3. Tab on Security option on left side and Setting up it. Then scroll down and tab on Authenticator. Now tab on Set up Authenticator. Step 3. Scan the QR code using the Authenticator app on your phone. Now, tab on the plus sign on the right bottom. Tab on Scan a QR code and scan the code from the other device previously open. Here is the code generated. Copy and paste it on the other device after clicking on Next. Paste the code here and tab on Verify. Step 4. Turn on two-step verification. Now, tab on Turn on. Now download or print the backup codes and put at secured places. Each codes can be used only for one time. Google Authenticator backup codes are important because they provide a way to access your accounts if you lose your phone or can't use the app. They act as a safety net, ensuring you're not locked out of your accounts, protected by two-factor authentication. Tab on Backup Codes. Tab on Get Backup Codes. Now either print or download the code. Option 2. Using only mobile phone. Step 1. Sign into your Google account in which you are going to protect by two-step verification. Now, we signed into the account. Tab the profile icon on the top right corner. Then tab on Manage your Google account. Step 2. Tab on Security option. Now tab on Authenticator. Tab on Set up Authenticator. Step 3. Tab on Can't scan it. Now copy the code at number 2. Then minimize this page and go to Authenticator app. Tab on plus sign at right bottom. Tab on Enter a setup key. Now enter your email you are going to two-step verified as code name and paste the code previously copied as your key. Tab on Add. Now copy the generated code, minimize the current page, and go to previously minimized page, and paste it there after tab on Next. and tab on Verify. Tab on Turn-in two-step verification. Tab on Skip. Finally, you are now protected with two-step verification. Tab on Done. Tab on Get Backup Codes and either download or print it. If the video was important for you, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more interesting videos.